I'm meeting Chef Jack Lee for Vietnamese coffee. Chef Jack was born in Ho Chi Minh City and has recently returned to teach at a culinary school.
Wow, how you like that coffee?
Oh, spectacular. I'm awake.
I just had two.
Well, you know what? This is my first visit to Vietnam, and I have loved the flavors so far. But what do you have in store for me today?
Today, I'm gonna teach you pho, the Vietnamese signature dish. Very famous around the world, but I wanna teach you what Jack's secret.
Where are we going to do this, though?
We're gonna do this at my cooking school, Nespe, which is down the block. Are you ready?
I am ready to be your student today.
Awesome!
Let's go.
Let's go!
I can't wait because I love eating pho.
This is going to be my first time learning how to make it.
I'm excited. I'm hungry. Are you hungry?
I'm starving.
It smells so good.
From what I get, pho is all about the broth.
Exactly.
Well, let's start with that.
Yeah, okay, so here we have the beef bone, the brisket. This is gonna go into the pot with the boiling water to make the broth. So here we have 5 liters of water. The broth, making the broth is about 2.5 to 3 hours. It's a
Wow.
little long, but it's worth it.
All right.
All right.
Next.
So next, we're gonna do the spice.
This is what I'm excited about.
The first one is the cinnamon. Put about 10 grams.
Oh, that
Nice.
is intense cinnamon. We don't get cinnamon like that at home.
Yeah. 2
One
more.
more?
Perfect. Next, the star anise. Let's do 6.
Okay.
It's a good size, right? Beautiful. Yeah. Nice earring, too.
One more?
Yes. Coriander seed.
I know
Give
coriander
about a 2
seed
generous
well.
pinch. There you go. Moving down is the tangerine peel. Let's get through that.
Dried tangerine peel.
Yes.
Oh, you really
See,
get that perfume.
That fragrant, yeah. And 1 good sized nutmeg.
Single
Perfect.
nutmeg.
Single, and a few of the cloves. And now, please,
All
smack them
right.
up. There you go. There you go. Hit it.
Is that enough?
A little more.
A little more?
Yeah, okay, that's enough.
Okay.
That's it. So, I transfer over here, and let's toast this.
Okay.
There you go. Lightly toast.
It does wake up the aromas. They seem to almost sweeten up a little bit.
Right. Let's transfer it back in. So we're gonna add this to the broth later when the broth is ready. So next, we're gonna do the ginger and a couple shallot. We need the cheesecloth back.
Okay.
Let's put it in and
Oh,
hit
the
it
same
again.
thing. Okay.
Yes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Wow, you're very strong.
It looks like we're about to grill it.
Yes.
We are.
Yes.
Now that's something I would never have guessed. What does grilling do?
It's gonna wake up the fragrance.
So-
Giving all my secrets away.
Barbecuing ginger.
Yeah.
This is the first time I've ever seen barbecued ginger. Oh, I love that. You're doing it directly on the heat, not in the pan.
Lightly though. You don't wanna burn them. Wake them up, right?
Yeah,
Wake
that's
up
it. Like that
spice.
coffee.
Yes.
Wake 'em up.
Woo! Oh, smells so fresh. Ta-da! You smell it?
Oh, I sure can.
Wow. Ooh, hot.
How did you first learn to make pho?
My mom. I first learned pho when I was 8 years old. Matter of fact, every time I make it, I think of my mom.
Yeah.
You know, because she, you know, it's such a good bonding between my mom and I when we were in the kitchen in Vietnam back in the days. And so when I make it with my daughter and my son now, it kind of bring back so much memory with mom, right? Teaching me when I was 8 years old.
And you're carrying on the tradition.
Yes, yes,
Isn't that special?
yes,
Well, I look forward to seeing how this all comes together.
yes. Now we're gonna do the seasoning. Here we have chicken seasoning plus rock sugar.
All right. This gets added with the other ingredients,
With
but
the
just at the
spice.
end.
Just gonna let it cook for another 15 minutes, okay?
That's it. Just
That's
15
it.
minutes.
And it's ready. And have you tried these?
I have Vietnamese coriander.
Very good.
This is harder to find at home. I like it though because it's a little stronger than the regular coriander we get.
That's true. And we have basil.
I love Thai basil because of that slight licorice character it has to it.
Bean sprout. Here you go.
Right? This is what I love about pho is you get to dress it yourself with all these beautiful garnishes.
Right. You eat spicy?
I like a little bit of spice, yeah. The chilies here in Ho Chi Minh City are spicy.
Yeah.
Is it noodle time?
Let's do it.
All right.
So I'm gonna warm up the noodle a little bit.
I like lots of noodles.
It's how we warm the bowl.
Oh, I like this. Well, it's important that everything's really hot
Yeah.
when you put it together.
Right. Shake, shake. Get all the water out, and bam!
Woo!
Whoa!
I like that.
There you
Love
go.
that.
So here we have a beef ball and the rare steak that we cut earlier, and the brisket, which we cooked earlier in the broth.
I want that, and that, and that.
Me too. All right. All right. Okay, you want to put bean sprout in?
Mm-hmm.
And a little basil.
And you put the whole leaves in.
Yeah. Little onion. That's a lime. All right.
All right,
So here it is, Anna, my special pho recipe.
let's dive right in. You are a master, Chef Jack. Oh, it's so fragrant and rich, but yet the broth isn't heavy. It's amazing how much flavor you worked into that simple liquid. Now that I have a better understanding of pho, I can take what you've shown me today and then create something altogether new, inspired by the spices and the herbs and your special technique.
And hopefully you'll name after me. Jackie.